Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to send Eventbrite order notifications on Slack for all events. So if you've created multiple events on Eventbrite and every time an order is confirmed for any of the event, you want to send a channel message on your Slack. So you can use this automation that we are going to create using Pabbly Connect. In this automation, our trigger will be the new order in Eventbrite and our action will be to send channel message on our Slack channel. Let us learn how to do that. So in this video, we are going to learn how can you send channel messages on Slack on any specific channel that you have created, the notification about a new order created for an event in Eventbrite. Now, the topic over here is important that we are going to be taking one event and the booking will be done for that specific event. But the workflow that will be created will be for every event that is in your Eventbrite account. So let us quickly sign in into our account. So that I will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now. That will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you will see a big blue button on your right hand side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send Eventbrite Order Notification on Slack channel. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you will see on your screen. Over here, you will see the two major concepts of Pabbly Connect called trigger and action. Now, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. These plus buttons provided to you are to add more action step to your workflow. So the trigger application over here is the one where the event takes place manually that we are going to make the changes. For example, we are going to order a spot over here or buy a ticket for this specific event, and that is going to be the trigger. And what is going to be the action? The action will be the sending of message in your Slack channel. So make sure you've opened your Eventbrite account. Also, you can view your event like that so that it will be easy for you to reserve the spot and your Slack to check your progress. Now choose your trigger application as Eventbrite. And the event over here will be new order, but not this one, for all events. Okay, for any event that is over there. After this, Pabbly Connect will provide you a webhook URL that you are going to use to connect your Eventbrite and Pabbly Connect. Because this is not for just one specific event. There could be any event, n number of events in your account that are going to take place. And for every event, a new registration will be notified over here in your Slack channel. So let us learn how to use this webhook URL to connect Pabbly Connect and our trigger application. These are the instructions. We are going to perform the same. So let us go back over here, click on your icon so that you reach the home page. Here, go to your menu and find account settings over here. Open your account settings and then you will find developer links on the bottom left corner. Scroll down and click on webhooks. Now you will see that already 2 webhooks have been created over here. If you want, you can delete these or you can add a new as well. Not at all a problem. And then in this payload URL section, you have to paste this webhook that you will have over here. So copy that and paste it over here. Event is all event, not for any specific event. And then come over here to order placed. You have to choose this trigger. Click on add webhook. And this is done. Click on test so that a test message will be sent over here as a response. Sending this test message will be a tick mark on the process of this webhook and the integration. Here you see you have a test response over here. So this is test, right? Webhook ID, user ID and all the details are given over here, which means that this webhook is working. Now we will come over here and reserve a spot. But before that, recapture the webhook response. Click on yes and it will again start waiting for a webhook response. Now come over here and reserve a spot. Edit your details if you want to, otherwise I'm keeping it the same. Select I accept the terms of service and register and your ticket will be booked. Here it is booked. Okay, coming back over here, you will see a response will be received about the new order created in Eventbrite Music Night Festival. Here you have the order. So this is the webhook ID, user ID and the API URL. Now one thing I want you to notice is this is the API URL, but here is the code of our booked ticket. Okay, so we are going to get the information for all the details of the event. Now you are not going to use these information to send a message in Slack. Nothing is here, not even the name of the person or anything like that. So close this window and move on to our action step. First of all, we will take out this ID of our order from API URL. For that, I will help you choose text formatter. Now, text formatter is a feature that is built inside Pabbly, and you can format the given text by any form. So here you are going to split the text. Click on connect. Connection is not a difficult task. You will map the text. So how you map? Insert the data from the previous step. So all the responses from the previous steps have given over here, and here is the API URL. You have now given the data that this is what you want to split. And what is the splitter? This slash. So put the slash as the separator. Now you see till this step, all the slashes will be separated. Okay, this www, this URL will be 1, then v3 will be 1, orders, and then this number. But what you want, what segment of that do you want? Second to last. Okay, second to last. So click on save and send test request, and it will give you the number. Here you have the splitted number, so we are going to use the same. Now click on this plus button, add one more action step, that is going to be for Eventbrite. And the event this time will be to get attendee by order ID. So you have the order ID I told you, click on connect. You don't need a separate way of connection because you already are working upon Eventbrite account in this workflow. So keep it on select existing connection and click on save. Once this is done, here you have to enter the order ID. So you will take it from this formatted order ID. Okay, because you have it clearly over here. Click on save and send test request. And now Eventbrite will bring all the information related to this order. See. What is the order, what about the attendee, see the name of the attendee, the email address, when the ticket is booked, the date and all is also given over here. So we have everything over here, but we don't have the event information now. Now we have, earlier we were just having a confirmation of the booking. Now we are having details about the person who booked their ticket, but now we want more information related to the event also. So now we will put the action event as get event. And how are you going to retrieve the event? This is the event ID. Remember, attendee 0 event ID. This is what we are going to use. So again, click on plus button, add one more action step. Here again it will be Eventbrite, and the event this time will be get event. Okay, you can read what's given below it. Get event details by event ID. So we have the event ID. Again, click on connect, select existing connection and save. And here you will put the event ID that you will find from the third step. So open this. You can write in the search and map data event ID, and here it is. No need of searching. Click on save and send test request, and you will receive all the information related to the event. See, music night, the description. This is a sample event I have created, the details related to the time, number of tickets, what is the capacity, okay, what is the limit, everything is given over here about the event. So now close this window. We have retrieved enough information and sufficient information. We come to the end and choose our last action application as Slack. Choose Slack as your application, and the event will be to send channel message. Click on connect, add new connection because you're using it for the first time in this workflow. Connect with Slack, and you have to enter either user or bot according to what data you want to transfer. So you will get a better understanding by clicking on here, and it will tell you the difference between entering user or bot. If you put user, then you will be able to do these things, and if you put bot, you will be able to do these things. So you see over here we have send channel message with or without image. So we have no image. Send channel message without image. So enter bot over here. Click on save, and your connection will be done once you click on allow over here. It's done. Now Slack is also connected. Select your channel name. So as we know, new registrations is the channel name. So find new registrations from here. If you're not able to find like that, again you can type in the search bar. New registrations. What is the message? So frame a message. I'm making a format of event name, description and detail of the order. So this is my simple format. What is the event name? So event name I will take from the last step. Here we have the event name. What is the description? Again from the last step. The description is this. Then we have the date also. So we will put the date from here again. This is the date, local date. Okay. And order name. So Eventbrite over here in the third step we have the name of the person. Space and keep the full name over here. Okay. Alright, so this is done. If you want, you can add more details according to your requirement. No URL, no image, nothing is here, no other changes to be made. Just simply click on save and send test request, and this message will be sent to your Slack. Now see, a code has been created. Now code is a very big proof that some work has been done. Shows no error, which means everything is correct. Let us close this window and then quickly go to our Slack to check, are we able to send a message or not. And here we have the event is this, what is the description, the date and the name of the person who ordered the ticket, which means that every time a new ticket will be ordered, a message like this will be sent for that specific person. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.